If you are looking for a great way to pick up leaves or other trash debris in your yard, you're going to absolutely love these. These are by GardenHome. They sent me these so I could do this review. So these are like basically claws that you put on your hand, kind of look like the Wolverine. But here's what you do. You have the strap right back here. So you're literally just gonna put your hand right in here, thumb out like this. You also have a hole here, so you could just hang these on a hook if you wanted to store them easily. These are about 12 by 15. These are super comfortable. You can kind of see them flex right over there, just like that. Super natural. So over here, we have our pile of leaves right here. So sometimes when you rake, it's super annoying. You don't have anything to pick it up with. So this kind of solves that problem. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna take this, go like this, pick it up, and then you could drop it in your bag when you are ready or whatever you're putting them in. Another thing that I like about this is if you take this and then you put that, let's pretend the trash can is right there, then you have this debris right here. You could easily just kind of make a new pile just like this, just as easily. So you could just do that like that. And let's be honest, sometimes there are just piles of leaves in the yard and you're looking at it, you're like, why do you even bother raking this? I should just start with my hands. So instead of using your hands, you could use these. I really like these a lot. So if you're looking for a great way to pick up leaves or debris in your yard, definitely check these out.